Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Prachi Gupta. Today I am going to explain chapter 6 of translation of UKG class. In this chapter, we will study about use of was in affirmative sentences. Okay, first of all, we should know the meaning of was. First of all, we should know the meaning of was. Was means था. Was means था या थी. Okay, था या थी. It is used in past tense means भूतकाल. It is used in past tense. The work has to be done. Okay, and with singular object, with singular subject. Okay, but it is not used with you. It is not used with you. It is used in singular subject means I, that, any name, he, she, this, but it is not used with you. It is not used with yo, you, tum means you. Now we will see how to write, how to do was, how to do the sentences using was. Let's see. As I told you, we are studying today use of was or was not. Was meaning था या थी. Okay, and was not meaning नहीं था, नहीं थी. Was meaning था, थी, and was not meaning नहीं था, नहीं थी. Okay, it is used with singular subject. Now let's see how to do sentences. Suppose first example we will take मैं राजा था. Okay, as I told you, in every affirmative sentence we will take the meaning of first of all first word. After that we will take the meaning of last word. Okay, as you have studied earlier in the I and these and those sentences, you are writing the meaning of first word and the last word. Like this we will do in the was and was not also. See, meaning of मैं, I, meaning of मैं, I. Now we will take the last word था. था meaning was, I was, and as all of you know, Raja meaning, what is remaining now? Raja. Raja meaning king. So our sentence will be I was king. Okay, I was king. Now next sentence we will take मैं राजा नहीं था. नहीं था means what I told you the meaning of नहीं था? Was not. See, मैं meaning again I, नहीं था meaning was not, Raja meaning king. So our sentence should be I was not king. Okay, I was not king. Now let us take another example. राम भूखा था. Okay, राम भूखा था. First of all we will take first word राम. राम meaning R A M. था meaning again we know was. भूखा meaning, as all of you know, भूखा meaning hungry. 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 Ram was hungry. Now again we will take another sentence. वह गरीब नहीं था. वह गरीब नहीं था. As all of you know, वह meaning he or she. If we know वह means a boy, then we will write he. If we know वह means girl, then we will write she. वह meaning he. Here it is written नहीं था. It means he is a boy. It means he is a boy. So नहीं था meaning was not. He was not. गरीब meaning poor. He was not poor. Okay. Now सेब मीठा था. सेब meaning, as all of you know, the apple. Same meaning the apple. It is a noun, so we will use the. It is a noun, so we will use the. Tha meaning, again we will write was, because first of all we will take first word, after that we will take last word. The apple was. Now what is remaining? Meetha. Meetha meaning sweet. SWEET. The sentence should be, the apple was sweet. Now let us take another example. यह घोंसला नहीं था. यह घोंसला नहीं था. यह meaning, as all of you know, first word we will take and last word we will take. यह meaning this. नहीं था, was not. घोंसला meaning nest, N-E-S-T, nest. Our sentence should be, this was not nest. Okay, all of you. Now next sentence we will take, वह सिपाही था. First of all we will take first word, after that we will take last word. First word meaning वह सिपाही था means he is a boy. Tha meaning means he is a boy. If it is written thi, then she is a girl, but here written tha, so we will write he. Tha meaning was, and what is remaining now? Sipahi. Sipahi meaning policeman. Sipahi meaning policeman. Now next word, next sentence we will take, वह जाल नहीं था. वह जाल नहीं था. For जाल is a object. जाल is an object. For object and things we will use in place of वह that. We will use in place of वह that. So we will write वह that. नहीं था meaning was not. नहीं था meaning was not. And जाल meaning, as all of you know, N-E-T. This was not net. Okay everyone. Now next example we will take, हरी एक किसान था. हरी, हरी meaning H-A-R-I. हरी. था was. अब now what is remaining? एक किसान. एक किसान meaning a farmer. एक किसान meaning farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. farmer. Our sentence should, Hari was a farmer. Hari was a farmer. Now next sentence we will take, वह मेरी बहन नहीं थी. Now from नहीं थी we should know she is a girl. From नहीं थी we should know she is a girl. So we will write in place of where she. She. नहीं थी meaning was not. नहीं थी meaning was not. She was not. Now what is remaining? मेरी बहन. What is remaining? मेरी बहन. मेरी meaning my. मेरी meaning my. And बहन meaning sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. So our sentence will be, she was not my sister. She was not my sister. Okay everyone. So all of you will see this video and try to understand the meaning of was means tha thi, was not, nahi tha, nahi thi, and try to do the sentences in your book. Thank you everyone.